Hi, let us see one more example on state model. In this example, they have given transfer function. So this transfer function we need to convert into the state model. So why I bought this problem is I want to show you from state model also we can find the poles, or from this transfer function also we can find the poles. Every system poles are important, right? If any pole is the right half of S plane, then we can decide the system is unstable. So poles plays major role. From state model also we can find the poles. How that is, in this lecture I am going to explain. So here they have given this equation. What I am going to do is this transfer function. I am going to split numerator term and denominator term. So here what I am doing, y of s, I am taking some dummy function, that is f of s, and f of s by u of s. So if we cancel, this is y of s by u of s only, right? So this is 2s plus 3 into 1 by s square plus 5s plus 6. Can I write like this? So this one I am going to split two equations. So y of s by f of s equal to 2s plus 3. This is equation number 1. And f of s by u of s equal to 1 by s square plus 5s plus 6. So this is second equation. So we know state model means nth order differential equation we need to convert n first order differential equation, right? So what is the order of this differential equation? Second order differential equation. So we need two state variables. So I am taking this second equation, okay, f of s by u of s square plus 5s plus 6. This one can I write like this? S square plus 5s plus 6 f of s equal to e of s. So if you apply inverse Laplace transform to this equation, what will you get it? You will get it f double dash of t plus 5 f dash of t plus 6 f of t equal to e of t. So this complete equation we convert into the time domain. Now you know this how to solve, right? As it is same here, second order differential equation we have. So we need to take two state variables because state variable equal to order of the differential equation, right? So it is a second order differential equation. I am taking two state variables, that is x1 and x2. So x1 is equal to f of t I am taking here. x2 of t equal to f dash of t. Now these two equation I am differentiating. x1 dash equal to f dash of t, x2 dash of equal to f double dash of t. So this equation can we write x1 dash equal to, this is equal to x2 only directly, but this one x2 dash equal to f double dash of t. From this can you write this one? So directly here f double dash of t equal to, if it is go this side, minus 6 f of t, what you can write? X1 you can write, minus 5 f dash of t, what you can write? X2 you can write, plus e of t. So here minus 6 x1 minus 5 x2 plus e of t. So here you have first equation, second equation. See, second order differential equation we convert into the two first order differential equations, right? Now can you write state equation? So x dot of t equal to, so here 0 1 we got, and here -6 -5 we got, and this is x1 x2 plus 0 1 e of t. So we wrote state equation. Now let us write the output equation. So output equation is, from this you need to write. So y of s equal to 2s plus 3 f of s. If you apply inverse Laplace transform at both sides, y of t equal to 2 f dash of t plus 3 f of t. Can I write like this? Now y of t equal to, this is 3 f of t. F of t, what we can write? X1, right? Can we write? So 3 x1 I am writing, plus 2 f dash of t I am writing 2 x2. So from this, can you write output equation? So y of t equal to 3 2 x1 x2. So this is the output equation, and this is the state equation. What I am going to conclude from this problem is, from this state equation also we can find the poles, and from this transfer function also we can find the poles, because poles plays the major role in the system, right? So how will you find these poles of this one? S square plus 5s plus 6 equal to 0. If you do, you will get poles, right? What will get? S equal to -2 is 1 and S equal to -3. These two poles we will get it, right? But by using this state model, how will you find the poles? So here, if you want to find the poles, eigen values of matrix A will give poles. So eigenvalue means here Si minus A mod, right? So let us find eigenvalues. So S, this is 1 0 0 1, minus A means what we have? A in this 0 1 minus 6 minus 5. So, and mod, right, we need to find. So here S 0 0 S, this is 0 1 minus 6 minus 5. If you solve this one, mod, so S minus 1 6 S plus 5, and we need to find mod, right? So S into S plus 5 plus 6 equal to 0, right? So here S square plus 5s plus 6 equal to 0. Got same equation, right? S equal to -2 and S equal to -3. So this will give poles. So even though if you go with state model, also you can find the poles, or you can go with transfer function also, you can find the poles. So this is the beauty of this state model. In state model, everything we are solving in time domain, but in transfer function, everything we are solving in frequency domain. So here we require a Laplace transform. Here we don't require. Here if we have a linear algebra, then you can solve this one. Thank you.